Imagine feeling like your voice is locked away, hidden behind the wall of self doubt. You see others here with ease and confidence. You can't help but wonder, will I ever find it within myself? Well, that was the question I carried with me when I first joined Avenue, not knowing the answer would transform my life. From the first day, I found a very supportive and nurturing environment where I was encouraged to step out of my comfort zone. I was incredibly shy and unsure of myself. And I had always admired those persons who could speak English very fluently, seeing them very smart, talented, and possessing an attractive personality. One day during a group activity, I found the courage to speak up. It was a small moment, but it marked a turning point for me. Avenue taught me that confidence isn't speaking well, it is about embracing who you are. And today I stand before you as someone transformed,